Hello, hello! And I am here at Mountain Brew. Malapit na sa Kaybiang. So, I'm just waiting for the guys. We're going to do our night ride, Halloween ride. Check out Mountain Brew. There. Pwede mag-coffee dito. Maganda yung view. Pag umaga. Sa gabi. Lights lang. We are here in Mountain Brew.
Yeah.
It's somewhere in Kaybiang. Night.
Yes. Somewhere down the road.
Kaybiang ba ay under night?
Hindi.
Maragondon.
Ternate siya eh.
Ternate.
Yes.
But we are here for our yearly night ride. Halloween ride.
Halloween ride.
Ano ba? This is our fourth? Our first is... Saan ba yun? Jariel's. Second is...
Jariel.
Third is...
Jariel.
Pero yung third namin, Baya Santa Maria.
Okay.
This is our fourth year. So, Fami Santa Maria. This is our fourth year. Ikaw ba?
Dito sa
Pangilan
Kaybiang.
po yung night ride mo na to? Halloween
This is
ride.
my first Halloween ride actually. Yes.
So, any expectation later? Ano oras start natin? 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Ano na bang oras? Walang oras tong orasan ko eh.
Kasi remote yan.
Remote pala to.
Remote
Okay.
nun.
Sorry.
So, anong expectation mo? Since this is your first.
Expectation ko, madilim. Tingin mo, sir.
Kaya night ride eh.
Oo nga, no? sorry. Oo nga. Night ride siya.
Any
So,
ano?
okay.
Gusto kong itanong is, meron ka bang mga narinig na stories dito sa Kaybiang?
Actually, meron eh.
Ako meron akong alam eh.
Yes.
Meron daw white lady dito. Alam mo ba yan?
Ano ba?
Alam mo ba? Ba't sumama ka?
Madami naman kasama eh.
Ikaw, ano bang narinig mo?
Ang narinig ko, may tiyanak daw eh.
Channel.
Diba? Ang pangalan nagsisimula sa letter B.
Okay, anyway. Sabihin mo, meron din ditong highway daw na baliktad yung gravity.
Ganon?
Oh, kunya, pataas siya.
Mm.
Iwan mo yung sasakyan, tanggalin mo yung hindi naka-engage.
Okay.
Imbis na bababa siya, packet siya.
Bakit siya?
Oh, somewhere here. Dadaanan natin
ano
later.
kaya yun?
Yeah, oh.
Matetest kaya natin?
Yeah.
Kung totoo siya.
Sa
So, ano?
kabila
So
ba
parang
yun?
magnetic field siya. Parang magnetic field siya.
So, start na tayo? Tara. Puntahan natin sila.
Let's go.
Right. Oh, Mountain Brew. Awesome place. Serves really good coffee. So far for me. Closes at 7 p.m. I'm not sure kung what time sila nagbubukas in the morning. Better check. But since dito na tayo maghihintay, dinner muna tayo. It's dinner time here at Elizabeth Garden Restaurant. Check natin. Woohoo! Look at it. Hello there, Elizabeth. Ma'am, sino po ba si Elizabeth? Sino po ba si Elizabeth? Ayaw niya. Ayaw ng camera. Oh, here we go. Nandito na sila. Diba parang chick yung nasa? By the way, this is the HCIP. It's Honda Click I Philippines, a Honda Click group. I think more than 50 participants na nandito. Hindi kami ready, nandito na sila. So, let's go na. May iwan pa tayo. Come on. Ayan, nakahabol na tayo sa pila. We were doing 80 kph just to get in line. Woo! As mentioned, this is our fourth. Previously kasi, we had Jariel's, and Jariel's. Yung last Baya Santa Maria. Ito yung rough road niya. And this is new. Well, we have some points to take on night ride. The most critical ay being visible. You need to be visible to other riders. At sa mga bagay na nasa kalye, pati nga siguro sa mga, ghost, white ladies. So, make sure all your standard lights are working. Headlight, brakes, signal lights, add-on na lang yung auxiliary. Pero, syempre, better pag meron. there are things to watch out for. Mga debris, lutas, graba, or lupa, and a lot more. Kasi these things become less visible at night than riding in daylight. Mga hayop, watch out, baka yun yung katabi mo. Alam mo kasi, animals tend to freeze pag tinamaan ng headlight natin. So watch out for that. Multo. Multo? I don't know about that. Also, magsuot ng high visibility clothing like yung mga reflectorized vest or anything na nag-reflect ng lights. We don't suggest using tinted or dark lenses as helmet visors. Use clear instead. And make sure na malinis yung visor mo. And if you could, bring some of your riding buddies. Para mas masaya. Riding with good buddies is always an awesome experience. Well, you have someone to help. Someone to help you out, just in case. Pero kung ikaw lang talaga, make sure na you are familiar with the terrain. If hindi, slow down and be a defensive rider on the route. Mukhang ito na yung Kaybiang. Let's make some noise! That was crazy tunnel entry, right? Bakit pa kailangan bumisina sa loob ng tunnel? I will leave it up to you. Fortunately, may dalawang tindahan bukas, so pwede magmerienda yung mga riders. Given it's 12 midnight na. Chance to interview some riders about creepy stories of Kaybiang. Kaso, mas creepy yata ito. All my interview shots were nowhere to be found dito sa mga files. I'm not sure why, pero wala eh. That's creepy. Just lang tayo dito. Let's head to Nasugbu and to Tagaytay. Few points again. Gas up bago pumunta sa road na to. Kasi walang gas station. Sa ganitong oras wala. Don't forget to bring flat key. Kasi wala din sila. Sarado na. Don't forget the pump. Well, I guess that's it for this night ride. Okay, so that was it. The last hour of our tour.
Yes, this is our fourth Halloween ride. Yes.
Up first natin, Joriel. Second natin, Joriel's. Third, Sidlakan. By Santa Maria. Pami Santa Maria.
Then ito yung first natin sa Kaybiang.
Yes. Kami from the east. Malayo for us, diba? Pero, natakot ka ba?
Natawa ako doon sa nakita ko kanina.
May nakahubad.
May packet, na yung puti nakagawa.
Yung isa na-miss ko eh.
Ay, hindi ko yung nakita yun eh. Basta yung puti, tsaka yung nakahubad. Yun yung nakita ko.
So far, okay naman. We had two casualties. Flat tire lang.
Flat tire na naman.
So, see you again
next year. Kapangan.
Gutom ka na?
Oo.
Diyan ka na. Tara na.
Sakain tayo. Kacha!